Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily assemble the Logitech G Pro steering wheel. So as you guys can see, we've got everything ready right here. So whenever you open your package and you see a lot of cables, then don't worry. Here's every cable you should know about. Starting off with a power supply. So here's the first one. And here we have the power supply itself. Now we need to basically connect them together. So like that, as you guys can see. Now we need to plug it in. It's plugged in and now we can basically use it. So let's leave the power supply right here. Now the second end of it will go into our base wheel. So let's just leave it. And now let's plug it into the power. So give me a second, I'm doing it off the camera. And now I plugged it in, it's right here. And as you guys can see, the light here is blue now. So now we got the light, we know that everything works. So going off next, we have our base right here. So let me just get the steering wheel out of the way for you. And now we need to place it in the middle. So you guys can try and place it like that. So I'll show you guys how to mount it now. So as you guys can see, we got the part right here. Now I'll show you guys how to easily do that. It's an easy way. We need to get this thing and then plug it right to the bottom. And I'll show you guys that in a second. So let's grab it, and here let's go over. Let's roll it down, so like that. And now let's easily place it right here. So let it go all the way to the end. And now we need to make sure that it's mounted perfectly. So I might need to move it a bit. Now let's make sure that it's holding up. And now the last step, as you guys can see, it's holding up pretty well. And the last step is to mount our steering wheel. So what we need to do is we need to push it. So like we need to pull it to ourselves like that. So we need to use two hands for this, like that. Now push it. And here we have the arrows. Wait a second, I'll show it to you guys. So as you guys can see, we have the arrow right here and right here. So now, as I said, we need to push it to ourselves. Now let's just place it in here and let go of it. So as you guys can see, now everything works. And all we have left to do is just plug in the cables. So here we have the first one. Now it goes right behind on the left side. So as you guys can see, we got it on the right side. Now we need to plug it, and now it should be working. We got one cable left, and we need to plug it on the left side. It's for our steering wheel to actually work in game. So here we need to plug it, and it's right here on the left side. And now, as you guys can see, everything is plugged, and we got one last cable to plug it. We need to plug it into our PC. So let's just do that. And now everything should be working. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.